Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add follow button on Facebook profile from desktop or laptop computer. Click on your profile picture on upper right corner, then click on your profile name, click on three dot icon here. Now click on view as. This is view as how people will view your profile. There is no follow button here, only add friend and messages. You need to add follow button here so that people can follow you. Click on exit view as. Now click on profile photo, click on settings and privacy, click on settings, scroll down, click on privacy, scroll down, how people can find and contact you. Who can send you friend request? It's everyone. You have to click to edit, click on drop down menu here and click on friends of friends. Click on public post. Who can follow me? Friends is selected here. You have to change it. So click on the friends button and select public. Okay, now public is selected. Now go to your profile picture again and click on your profile name. Now again, click on three dot icon here and now click on view as. Follow button is added on your profile and people can easily follow you by using this button. Okay, now close exit view as. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.